Hi guys, this is JD from Superior Window Cleaning Bay Area, and today you're going to ride with me while we go wash several different storefront windows right here in beautiful San Jose, California. This is where I keep all my window cleaning supplies. You got squeegees, scrubbers, buckets, replacement rubbers, gloves, soaps, poles, ladders, everything you should need to wash a bunch of windows, man. For today, we're gonna clean some smaller to medium-sized windows, so I'm just gonna bring a wide range of different sizes, starting with like an 8-inch all the way up to what I believe is a 20-inch. And this 18-inch Ettore scrubber should be totally cool for all these different windows today. I got the fresh Mighty Scrubber sleeve on there too, so that should be good to go. Now we're just gonna load up some of these tools, put them in the truck, and make our way over across town. Ride with us, man. It's gonna be a good time today. We got a lot of windows to clean, so let's go ahead and get on it. So for the first stop, we did a salon called Tangles in Los Gatos. We're gonna do the inside and outside of these guys, and then we're gonna do the exterior of their neighbor right here, and then we're gonna walk across the bridge and do the inside and out of that salon just down the street right there, Capelli. So without further delay, let's just go ahead and just get it started, man. Since day one, we've been on a slow growth model, right? We don't want 100 new accounts in one day. We want like 2 new ones a month, and we want them to be the coolest people you've ever met, right? Like the nicest, most grateful, and just, we want to work with sweethearts only, right? So basically, how we gain new customers and clients now is through apps such as Nextdoor. We get a little through Yelp. We get some through Instagram, and then we're always just like out flyering too. If we see a cool storefront with windows that are like right in the sweet spot like this, like not a lot, but not 5, but not 100, you know? If we see stuff like this, we might leave a flyer or a card, or we might go check in with the business owner if they're inside and just kind of get a feel for them. Like, would this person be a good fit for a company? I don't know. Like we could try to find out though, you know? My favorite thing about window cleaning is the fact that it allows me to be who I am as an individual, as well as decide who I want to work for and who I want to connect with. I like the freedom of being able to bounce around, go to different districts and different areas, cleaning different windows and solving different window cleaning problems as they may arise. It kind of just keeps me on my toes. I get a kick out of being able to be myself and just connect with people who show equal levels of gratitude and appreciation. There's a famous saying when it comes to owning a business that a client will become your friend faster than your friend will become your client. For whatever reason, that is so true, because there's been so many different scenarios where we started working with a company, and then, you know, weeks turn to months, turn to years, and the next thing you know, the owners and managers at some of these companies end up being my best friends of all time. I always try to say that we're looking to form long-lasting relationships rooted in mutual respect and appreciation. I appreciate all of these businesses that I work with, and I feel very grateful to be appreciated in return for the service that we provide. We had the opportunity to go meet up with my friend Chris, who is the owner of Berticelli's La Via Deli over in Willow Glen.
Chris Berticelli, owner of La Villa Delicatessen, Willow Glen, San Jose, California. The La Villa Deli's been around since 1947. We're currently the 3rd owners of it. It's always been family owned, family run, staple of the community. Just doing homemade ravioli since then, and just a lot of tradition comes along with this business, and you see a lot of family history and generations upon generations coming in and buying the same thing that their parents, grandparents, great-grandparents bought. So my experience with JD, we're just really grateful he came into our life as a business owner, because I'm sure as everybody deals with window washers, they're kind of flighty, kind of everywhere. Or you're signing up with some kind of big corporation subscription deal that's not local, that's not homegrown. And when someone comes around that has the passion that JD has and the commitment, you take advantage of it. He's such a great guy to work with. And the importance of having your windows clean is first impression of your business. Thing that their customer sees first, so you want them to be able to judge your business or be able to have an opinion on your business by the cleanliness and the ability to see into your shop.
So if you look in here, you'll see not just for one, but we got sandwiches for the whole crew. You know what I mean? We got sandwiches for the whole crew. And as if that's not enough, right? As if that's not enough, we got raviolis for the whole crew too, bro. Like, we're gonna be good for today. So we're the coolest window cleaner. These guys are the best raviolis. It's a no-brainer, you know? When the pandemic first started, there was a lot of uncertainty about everybody's, surrounding everybody's business. And those guys at La Via put out a message to all of their friends and their community saying, hey, if anyone needs window washing, please feel free to link up with our friend JD from Superior Windows. So he basically referred me to like dozens of their clients, and a handful of them reached out to me, and we were able to clean a ton of their clients' windows right at the beginning of the pandemic. And the fact that they just kept my business going and they just kept referring me to people in a time where everything was super slow and a lot of stuff was shut down, it meant a lot for them to go out of their way to refer me to their clients like that. And I'm just so grateful to be connected with such respected and long-lasting members of this community of small businesses. In today's day and age, it's a lot easier to just click a couple buttons online and have a package delivered to your door. That's the easy route. I try to make an effort to support businesses who I respect and like. And for example, our friend Jose at Atlantic Janitorial, he's always just been like a super friendly guy, super easy to talk to and work with. So every once in a while I like to go out of my way to go support his shop and just buy a couple of things that I could probably order online, but it just feels better to have that face-to-face interaction and to support his small business as well.
I feel like we are a big part of the community. People come in and get their stuff. You don't even have to be a professional. You can come in to get for your household items, acid, Clorox, whatever not. Pretty much we try to carry as much as we can.
The end goal, I think eventually I would like to be in more of like a supervisor position where I could be like price quoting jobs and things like that, and maybe having a couple other people underneath me who could do the actual window cleaning. But for the current time, I'm so thankful to be where I'm at. Like, this is being able to work with such legendary companies like Ettore or Berticelli or any of these other guys. I feel like we made it, and the only thing I could really improve on is just continuing to grow as we have, and just continuing to stay focused and to just provide the highest quality window cleaning customer service experience for as many people as we can.